In this video, we're going to see if the center diff from the 4S Mojave is actually going to fit in the 3S center. This is going to be for all the 3S Arrma models. So we're going to try to put it up in here, then we're going to take it for a quick test run to see how it handles and how it performs. All right, guys, up here at Hobbytown Buford, you can come see these guys over here. So what we're going to actually do today is we have had discussions about whether the center diff that's in the new 4S Mojave will actually fit in any of the 3S models. That's including this, the Vendetta, et cetera, et cetera. So we are probably about 99% sure that this is going to fit. So we're going to actually go through and actually put the center diff in here, talk to you guys about it for a few seconds, and then actually take it out and do a quick demo as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this started. All right, guys, so to kind of speed things up, I just made this twice as fast as it was. So Brad and Hunter are both working on the vehicles here. You can see some of the work they're actually doing for it. You do have to remove 3 screws to get that center diff out of the Mojave, or that whole center diff housing out of the Mojave, as you guys see there. And of course, you got to move that top, that chassis, the chassis brace at the very top there. He's removing the other 2 screws for it. So you guys will see that there. And it was already removed out of the Sentin. Now that's actually a Mega Sentin, but if you got the version 3, the construction of the chassis are going to be the same as far as the Mega and the brushless one is concerned. And there you guys know that's modular in design, so you got to pop that out, get that out of there, and then going over here, you guys will see that that'll fit right in there. So there it is. It's a very, very tight fit, and we're going to talk about this in just a second. But you guys see there, it's a real tight fit. It was kind of hard to get that in there at first, but it actually does fit. All right, so after playing with it for a few seconds, we actually got it up in there, or actually Brad got it up in there. So we were kind of hitting on this back and forth, but I'm going to let him talk about the installation real quick. So I'm going to quit my yapping, and I'm going to go ahead and let him talk. All right, guys, he got this in here. He's going to explain something real quick. It's a tight fit, but we're going to let Mr. Brad talk because he was in it and so was Hunter over here. We were both over here trying to get stuff working. So the mic is on you, sir.
All right, so what it is once you make the swap of the drivetrain, you got to remember that now that you're going from short to big, you have to change out these pieces here. These 2 pieces have to swap with the motor, the drivetrain, transmission, the motor and the transmission. Okay. They have to be swapped. Okay. In order for it to fit correctly. Okay. Everything else still lines up. You can either put your screws in there if you want to, or you can put them over here if you want to. Okay. If I'm not mistaken.
It's got 2 holes for it. You just have to make the
holes, widen them out, put them in there, good to go.
See, he's talking about these holes right there.
These holes right here.
So, all right.
Or a mimic to these holes right here. 2 holes, 2 holes.
Okay.
So, there you go, guys.
All right, he's gonna put a quick battery in here. You gonna test run it?
Oh, yeah,
he's like, oh yeah, we're gonna get this running, y'all. All right, we're gonna take this out for just a quick run up and down the street. We just want to show you that we want to show you guys that this works, and we'll be back in just a second. All right, y'all, he's gonna demo this now. Take in mind it has a 2400 kV motor, but he's running 3S. So he's gonna go ahead and he's gonna run this real quick. I guess we got a car coming by. We're gonna let this car go by real quick. All right, we're ready. Oh, that even sounds smoother. Guys, that's not bad at all. Fast and Furious slide. Wow. Still on his feet. Yeah, that's running good. I don't know. You driving, what do you think? That looks like it's running a lot better. It sounds smoother. Yeah, that sounds a lot better. Sorry, y'all. Wanted to get this out, demo this for you guys. That is actually good. So we'll be doing some testing probably pretty soon with this. I don't know when, but don't forget to like, subscribe, as I always say. Stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you guys watching.